Hey traders, it's John Howell here from tradinginvesting4u.com. This is going to be a short and quick little update for you. This is actually focusing on the Australian market. We're focusing here on the All Ordinaries. We're going to show you exactly what is going on in the market right now, and some interesting things that are happening right now, especially in the overall All Ords, the Australian market. Now, anything I do say in this presentation is geared around general advice only. I don't know your personal situation, so please do not go out there and buy stock or sell an index or buy an index or whatever you're going to do based on this video, okay? So I'm also going to show you, talk about a brand new free training that I'm putting on as well. So let's get into this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about here is the All Ordinaries chart. Now we're looking at a candlestick daily chart of the All Ordinaries, and you can see today's date is the 8th of May 2012. And that's what I'm doing the recording of this. And right now on the Australian market, we can see that there's a lot of interesting things that are happening here. Now the first thing we can see is if I just get my trend line drawing tool, okay, and I'll draw it from the bottom here up to the top through there, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to connect this bottom through here, connect the bottom through there, and just connect all the different ones through there. And there we go. As we can see from the bottom through here, if we connect this low through here, and we'll connect all the way through there, connect it through there, and so on and so forth, we can see that's where we're at right now, okay? So you can see we're actually we've actually came up through here and dropped right back down to the 4,400 mark, or just below that, the 4,400 mark, and now what we're doing is we're actually at just below that 4,400 mark. Now the interesting thing, you can see this, now if this support does hold, then we're likely to hold here, and then we're likely to blast up out of here. Okay, that's what if this support does hold. But also, if we have a look at this here, we've actually had a major resistance level way back since probably so June, July, August, September, probably August, September through here. Probably August, September last year, we've been making a massive resistance level. Can you see that through there? Where we had this resistance level through here. We have resistance level through here, all through here as well too. And what we see here as well is we see that this market has ran up through here, then it came back down, and now we're just dropping below this sort of resistance, this sort of support resistance level, and now dropping below that. And this is where we are right now. We're in a do or die spot. If this market breaks this level through here, okay, so if we break this support line through here and break it down through here, then what we're likely to see is we're likely to see the market continuing to fall, and we're likely to see a lot more drop down. If it does hold through here and and it does break up, then we're likely to see an explosion to the high side, and probably back up towards this, probably close to this 4,800 mark, and probably even a bit somewhere around about there. That's where the market's likely to go to, around about that sort of square there. Okay, but right now the market's not showing a lot of strength through here because the market's not continuing higher, right? If it was showing strength, it would have ran up through here, came back down through here. And let me just take everything off the screen again now, and I'll just draw this trend line through here. So that's the support resistance line through there. Okay, you can see that what's actually happened is it dropped below that level now, and now it's just gone sideways. So that's really interesting. If we break above this level here again and continue higher, then as I was saying before, that this level up here, say from the 4,800 mark, somewhere around about there, is where we're likely to see a movement in the actual overall market. Okay, so keep an eye out for that. We're in a do or die spot right now. I thought I'd do an overview of what the actual market is doing there. Okay, what the actual market is doing and where we're likely to go based on this. So if we do start to drop down, then we're likely to see a lot more downside to come, and probably a drop down towards, I'd see maybe the 4,200 level. Okay, if we do start to get down, if it does start to get a bit more aggressive, then probably maybe even the lows back down here of the August, September of 2011. So maybe that's likely to happen again, but we'll just take this sort of on a short-term basis, because that's all we really can do right now. And right now this market is showing a lot of weakness, and it looks like it doesn't want to come down. Okay, so I hope this has really helped you out here. I hope you can see here that with this overall Australian market, that if we do start to come down, then obviously stocks like BHP, Commonwealth Bank, ANZ, so on and so forth, are likely to go down with it. Okay, so just keep an eye out for those stocks as well there. Okay, Okay, so as I did say at the start of this video, I'm also putting on a brand new free training event, and on this free training event, you're going to learn things like what's really going on in the market. You're also going to learn things like why most people trading will lose money, and by changing just one simple thing will double your chances of making money. You're going to learn an amazing trading system that most people don't know about that generates a good, consistent monthly income without trying to pick the market direction. Okay, we have so many different things. We're going to talk about how to be in a situation where you can generate nice, consistent income in the markets, 5 top charting patterns, a secret method to finding really good trades, and so much more. Okay, I'm only holding this event once. Okay, this is just a free, brand new training event. I've never actually done this event live ever. Okay, so this particular training event I'm putting on, and right now, this free training event is going to blow you away, okay? The link just below this video is a link to that actual free training event. It's free to register, and as I said before, that this is an actual free training event. This is going to be an amazing free training event, and unlike any other webinar out there, you're going to learn the exact steps and details to the trading system, to the 5 top charting patterns, to why most people lose money, the secret methods of finding high probability trades, and so much more. Okay, so you're interested in the market. So what I suggest you do right now is go down and click on that link below right now. Go over to the next page. Actually, on the next page, it'll talk more about that actual training event as well too. Okay, so I'm looking forward to serving you. I'm looking forward to supporting you with that as well too. So click on that link below right now and go check it out and register for the free training event. It's on next Tuesday, okay? And I'm only holding this. I only have plans to hold this once. I've never done this live, so I can be there and I can teach you the strategies, all the ins and outs and the step-by-steps to strategies, holding nothing back. And while you're there live, I'll be able to answer your questions and help you moving forward as well too. Okay? So I don't ever do live webinars anymore. So, but this is the very first one I'm doing to give back and help you and support you. This is a free training event to really help you. So go down, click on the link below right now, go register for that. And no matter what happens, say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and that is success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.